loading up. Tuna, chicken, bars, rice. All right, the guys are filling up. Put some water in these tubs to be used for like flushing toilets and, you know, clean water, but not drinking water. And we're doing a video. Thank you to these guys for helping us out. Atlanta, Uncle Kim, Sunny's sister and brother-in-law. We appreciate it. Love you guys. Thanks for helping us.
You're welcome.
Say, where are you going?
Where we go?
Badger's headed off to Florida.
Off to save the world.
What's happening?
Walmart is donating $100. Walmart at store number 48, Monette, Missouri.
In Monette, Missouri, guys. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
And this lady right here, Miss Carolyn, is donating $100 out of her own pocket to help us out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, we got carts. So there's paper towels, paper plates, toilet paper. We got trash bags, duct tape. We have gas cans, small grills, more paper plates, some wipes. Then we got all the food, rice, tuna, protein bars, cans of chicken, then the charcoal to go with the grills. We got ramen noodles, Pringles, fruit cups, applesauce, and electrolyte packets to go in drinks, and more charcoal and grills, guys. There you go, the lineup.
I got you. I know it ain't fun to move by yourself.
Yeah, we're a little busy. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Thank you. All right.
Let me push for
All
you.
right.
That way you got it all together.
All right. Are you mouthing me over there? All right, let's make this happen.
Hi guys, so we're in the 26-foot truck and we have about 5 feet left to fill, but we've got lots of little nooks and crannies. You can see like tubs upon tubs back there. You can see all the stuff on top. We got 6 pallets of water coming.
And a whole thing of saltine crackers.
We figured it out last night. We got like 10,000 bottles of water coming.
Yeah.
So we've got grills, we've got charcoal. The group here at Walmart were fantastic.
I'll show you guys videos of us
and
trying to get everything.
everybody helped us load it. The one lady that was helping check out, she even donated $100 of her own money. A lady just walked up to Angie and she's got 2 houses in Port Charlotte. So we know there's a need. We're coming, I promise. We may be another day late though, because I had no idea I was going to be at Walmart for like 8 hours.
And we're not done.
So anyway, we love you.
Thank you for all your strength.
Guys, you can keep donating. We'll be stopping along the way, picking up stuff. Even when we get there, whatever money comes in, it'll go out.
We got some more stuff put in here, but we're still gonna have room. We'll make it fit.
It'll go out to a good cause. So anyway, guys, thank you. We'll see you soon.
All right. Well, where's the music? Where do we turn this down? We're getting used to this U-Haul truck, and well, darn, who we talked to yesterday, the manager's not there today, and of course we couldn't get there yesterday, and so no discount, right? They
No
were to give
discount.
us a
So they lost the
discount
sale of 3 chainsaws and a couple of generators.
Yeah, Race
you know.
Brothers and Monette.
That sucks. So
Yeah.
one great experience at Walmart and
No.
one not so great at Race Brothers.
And we're trying to use your money wisely, guys. We're trying to get as much as we possibly can for as little as we can. So that's why we're being, we're being picky. We want the money to go as far as we possibly can. All right, we're off to eat for the first time today. Oh, we haven't ate all day, and it is what time? It's like 4 o'clock.
4:18.
4:18. Starving. Let's go get some food, honey.
All right.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's lots of food. We'll be full.
Hey there, Walt here from Walt in PA, coming at you from the back roads of southeast Pennsylvania, and I'm on the map.